Alright, hey guys, just some updates about the whole COPPA thing. So I've been thinking a lot about it, and I'm trying to just figure it out, because I still haven't figured out how I'm supposed to make the decision. So hold on. So yeah, I've been looking at some stuff on here about it. What if my content is blah too wide, but not kids? That's great. Oh my god, I'm gonna hate to read this. What if my content is applicable to a wide audience, but not kids specifically? No, as a creator, you know your videos and your audience best, and it is your legal responsibility to comply with COPPA and/or other applicable laws and designate your content accurately. If you fail to categorize your content correctly, there may be consequences on YouTube. Additionally, there may be legal consequences under the Child's Online Privacy Protection Act or other applicable local laws. So yeah, alright, so yeah, there's a lot of stuff about this whole thing. So yeah, I still don't know what to decide. I'm really freaking out about this, guys. A lot of YouTubers are freaking out about this, and I am too, because, you know, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Let me kind of just go over this again, just so you guys can get, like, a little bit of an idea. Oh, wait, hold on. Real quickly, it says, Update Friday, November 22nd, 2019. The FTC released more information to help YouTube creators decide if their content is made for kids or not. You can learn more on the FTC's blog. Okay, I'll check that out in a second. I just realized that, but first, let me just kind of go over this with you guys. It says, regardless of your location, we require you to tell us whether or not your videos are made for kids. We are making these changes according to an agreement with the U.S. Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and to help you comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, COPPA, and or other applicable laws. Failure to set your content appropriately may result in consequences on YouTube or have legal consequences under COPPA and other laws, which I can't have, so I have to figure out how I'm going to set this correctly. Because if I do it, then I'm going to be in a bunch of trouble on YouTube and COPPA and stuff. We provide some guidance on what is considered made for kids below, but we cannot provide legal advice. If you are unsure whether your videos meet this standard, we suggest you seek legal counsel. According to the FTC's guidance and COPPA, a video is child-directed, which we call made for kids, if children are the primary audience based on the factors below. Children are not the primary audience, but the video is still directed to children based on the factors below. I feel like I'm kind of the second one. I kind of don't know what to say about that. When deciding whether or not your channel or video is made for kids, you should consider various factors, including subject matter of the video, e.g. educational content for preschoolers, whether your children are your intended or actual audience for the video, whether the video includes child actors or models, whether the video includes characters, celebrities, or toys that appeal to children, including animated characters or cartoon figures, whether the language of the video is intended for children to understand, whether the video includes activities that appeal to children, such as play acting, simple songs or games, or earlier education, whether the video includes songs, stories, or poems for children, any other information you may have to help determine your video's audience, like empirical evidence of the video's audience. So when it says include activities that appeal to children, one of the things it says is games. I don't know if that's talking about video games, but I do play some games that could appeal to children, I will say. But then there's some games I don't play, such as Call of Duty. I've been making GTA 5 videos lately, and some other stuff. Whether the language of the video is intended for children to understand. My problem with that is I learned this through something that apparently one word that you shouldn't be able to say on YouTube is kidnapped. So what word do I always say in like every single video that rhymes with kidnap? Crap. So if they don't want kidnapping videos, what do you think they want crap in their videos? I don't say like cuss words, but I say the word crap, and I don't know if that counts as a cuss word. But if they don't want kids to say, if they don't want creators to say kidnap, then I don't think they want them to say crap either. But yeah, then there's whether children are your intended or actual audience of the video. My intended audience is 14, 15, or 16-year-olds, and it says on here, so I'm in the United States, and it says on here that in the United States, the kid classifies as anyone as 12 and under, so 12 and under is a kid, and I'm 14, and so I'm not basically a kid in the United States, and my intended audience is like 14, 15, 16-year-olds, but I feel like a lot of my, well, not a lot, but I think some of my audience is 12 and under. Like, for example, my younger cousin Liam, who really also has to make the decision. I don't know what he's going to choose. He has Mortal Kombat on there, so I don't know what he's going to do for Mortal Kombat. But then he plays, like, child-friendly games like Roblox and Fortnite. So I don't know what Liam's going to do. Constance, I don't know what she's going to do. She makes some gotcha videos, but they're kind of inappropriate because they have, like, murder and stuff in them, and blood. Stuart, he has, like, Call of Duty videos, so, I don't know. He's probably going to have to make his not for kids. I don't know what he's going to do either. Lindsay's not going to be affected because he doesn't have any videos on his channel. That's his secret weapon. He just doesn't upload any videos, so he doesn't have to deal with this. Yeah, it says subject matter of the video, e.g. educational content for preschoolers. I am not that at all. I am not that. Alright, but let's check out the FTC's blog so I can at least check this out. YouTube channel owners, is your content directed to children? Oh my god. I'm not the only one freaking out, though, since, a lot of people are freaking out about this and making videos on it, so, yeah. Alright, so on here, it also says some of the same rules it says on YouTube, but there's actually kind of some different ones. One thing it says the first one's the subject matter, which it did say on YouTube, but the next one says visual content. So, visual content. So, Call of Duty, and when you kill people, like, blood sprays out of them. I don't think that's some good visual content. GTA 5, when you kill people, sometimes blood comes out of them and kind of sprays everywhere. And when you shoot them, yeah, so I don't think that's good visual content. Language or other characteristics of the site, as I said, crap. That could possibly be one. Yeah, alright, so the rule allows for civil penalties of up... Okay, so what are the possible penalties for violating COPPA? The rule allows for civil penalties of up to $42,530 per violation, but the FTC considers a number of factors in determining the appropriate amount, including a company's financial condition and the impact a penalty could have on its ability to stay in business. While Google and YouTube paid $170 million in another COPPA case settled this year, the operator paid a total civil penalty of $35,000. Isn't the FTC taking another look at the COPPA rule? Yes, the FTC is currently evaluating the rule in light of rapid changes in technology. If you would like to comment on the effectiveness of the COPPA rule and whether changes are needed, the FTC has extended the comment deadline to December 9th, 2019. Oh my god. How COPPA applies to channel owners. So how does COPPA apply to channel owners who upload their content to YouTube or another third-party platform? COPPA applies in the same way it would if the channel owner had its own website or app. If a channel owner uploads content to a platform like YouTube, the channel might need the definition of a website or online service covered by COPPA, depending on the nature of the content and the information collected. If the content is directed to children, and if the channel owner or someone on his behalf, for example, an ad network collects personal information from viewers of that content, for example, through a persistent through a persistent identifier that tracks the user to serve the interest-based ads, the channel is covered by COPPA. Once COPPA applies, the operator must provide notice, obtain verifiable parent consent, and meet COPPA's other requirements. For information on how to comply with COPPA, please visit the FTC's COPPA page for a 6-step compliance plan for your business. So yeah, then it says a COPPA recap, the provisions of the settlement. It says the answer requires a brief summary of some key COPPA provisions passed by Congress in 1998. The Children's Online Privacy Protection Act is a federal law that protects the privacy of children under 13. So yeah. So, I don't know, I have no idea what to do right now. So, I don't know if my channel would classify as for kids or not for kids, and I'm nervous that if I pick the wrong one, then YouTube's gonna fine me for the $42,000, which, well, I can't do. I can't, for every video. And also, it's not for every video I think you make after this, but I think it's also for every video you've ever made. So for every video that I've violated the law, I'm gonna have to pay $42,000, which I can't do. So I am trying to figure this out. If I am for kids or not. I think I'm going to choose not for kids, just because of crap, how I say crap, and the games I play, like Call of Duty and stuff. I'm hoping, I don't know what the consequences are if you do choose not for kids. I think it's just that maybe if the YouTube account is under 12, like when you enter your birthday, when you make your Google account, if it's 12 and under, the birthday, then if you like to look me up, then I won't appear, and it'll only appear for people who are 13 and older, because they're not kids. So yeah. So I'm guessing that could be what it is. I'm not entirely sure. So yeah, it says, audience, simplify your workflow by selecting a channel setting. If you skip this question, you'll be required to identify each video on your channel that's made for kids. This setting will affect existing and future videos. Settings for individual videos will override the channel setting. So yeah. So I think I might just end up making it, not for kids, but I feel like there's some videos I made that could be for kids, so, I don't know exactly, because some of my videos are kind of for kids, but some are kind of not, so yeah. So I am just still figuring out what to do, but since I say crap and because of the games I play, I think I'm just gonna say no, and then when YouTube checks it out, hopefully they'll agree with me, because I'm not entirely sure what the punishment is if you say it's not for kids, but I think it's just, as I said, maybe it doesn't appear, if your birthday is 12 and under when you sign in and made your Google account and put your birthday in it, and it only appears for people who are 13 and older, when they put in their birthday, so yeah. So I'm looking a lot about this, because I'm trying to figure out if my channel would be for kids or not. So this is, I already made a video on this, but this is a second video to it. just because I'm really nervous, and I'm not the only one. There's tons of YouTube creators that are nervous, and I am one of them. So yeah. So I don't know exactly what to do. So yeah. But there's tons of YouTubers who are nervous about this. Well, yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.